Hello everyone, I'm back with another interesting video. Most of us have Chinese bamboo or lucky bamboo plant in our home. This belongs to the Dracaena family. Actually, this is not a bamboo plant. It is Dracaena sanderiana. Only the stems look like bamboo. In this video, I will show you some tips for good care and some secrets by which you will be able to keep this plant in a very good condition at home. So watch the video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it. I have these Chinese bamboo plants for more than 2 years, and I have placed one in water, one in soil and another in coco peat and soil mixed medium. So I will share with you all the tips, so stay tuned. It is given as a gift of good fortune, and it symbolizes the wish for a strong life filled with prosperity. Sometimes 21 stalks are given as a gift to bestow a very powerful overall blessing for great wealth and enduring health. Even if you buy the plant for yourself, the luck will be conveyed. This plant attracts wealth and positive energy to your office or home according to Vastu Shastra and Feng Shui. So apart from keeping this plant in water, you can also keep this in soil as I have done it, and also in a potting mixture which contains coco peat and soil. The plant in the ceramic pot, I got this as a gift, and it is a 3-stalk plant. Different number of stalks signify different meanings. Even there is a specified place to keep this plant in your home according to Vastu Shastra and Feng Shui. It is not advisable to keep this plant in a bedroom. Rather than, it is advisable that you should keep this plant in a place where you spend most of the time of the day, and it should be kept in the east or southeast direction of the room. Do not expose these plants to direct sunlight. As you can see, I have kept these plants in my window where it doesn't get direct sunlight, but it is a bright place and airy also. Now these are the significances of different number of stalks of Chinese bamboo you're using. The purpose are different. For love and marriage, you can use 2 stalks. For happiness, 3. For health, 5. For wealth, 8. And for fortune, you can use 9 stalks. Avoid using 4 stalks when you are gifting this plant to someone. So now coming on to the care of this plant. You can see I have kept this in water and the roots are just deep in the water. The water should be changed every week. Check the roots whether there is any infection occurring or fungal growth, and check the stems also. If there are some stems which have rotten or become yellow, just remove them. If there are some jellies stuck on the roots, you can remove them after a few months of purchase. Avoid buying those plants which are yellowish in color or very dark green in color. If some of the stems have become yellow in color or getting rot, you just remove them, but do not throw away the parts which are still green in color or the leaves are still green. You can plant them like this. I will not throw this away. I will plant this in the soil. Now the most important part of the care is you should wash the roots every month thoroughly with water. I have discovered this tip recently and I am following this. You can wash the whole plant and clean it thoroughly. Next step is very important. Allow the plant to dry in sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. If you can do this every month, your plant is going to be in a super healthy condition through years. Now I'll plant this in my existing pot. There are 2 stalks already in the pot, and this will add to the number of stalks to 3, and it signifies happiness, so it goes on well. This stalk will also do good in this potting mixture. After potting, you can add a little bit of water. Make sure you do not overwater it. There's another important tip. Clean the glass container thoroughly and get rid of the salt depositions by cleaning it with acid. Always use RO water or bottled mineral water. Do not use tap water, as high chlorine content in some areas in tap water may ruin the roots and the plant also. So you can see I have dried the whole plant for nearly 3 hours and the roots are dry, even the whole plant is dried. And I'll place this again in the container with RO water. Another important tip is to add all the 5 elements in the plant according to Vastu Shastra and Feng Shui, that is earth, metal, wood, water and fire. Add some pebbles in the pot for earth, add some coins in the pot for metal. The stem symbolizes the wood, the water in the pot fulfills the water element, and the red colored band tied with the stems signifies fire. So here 3 elements are done. Now I'll add some pebbles and some coins in the pot to fulfill all the elements. So I have shared with you all the tips, care and guide to keep a Chinese bamboo plant in a healthy condition at home for years. You follow all the tips and you can also make your plant a healthy one and bring luck, happiness, prosperity, peace, wealth in your family. You can watch the video how to make these beautiful bottle lamps. I have given the links in the description box below. If you know any other tip or care guide, then you can comment it in the comment section below. This would be a great help to me and to many others also. So please subscribe to my channel and give a like and share this video with everyone, and I'll be back with another interesting video, and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated. Till then, bye.